5 jaw-dropping facts about sharks. Fact 1. Sharks have been around for over 400 million years, predating even the dinosaurs. Fact 2. A shark can have up to 3,000 teeth at once, and they continuously grow and shed them throughout their lives. Fact 3. Sharks have a unique skin texture covered in tiny, tooth-like scales that help reduce drag and increase swimming efficiency. Fact 4. Sharks can detect electrical fields produced by other animals, allowing them to hunt even in murky waters. Fact 5. Some sharks, like the great white, can leap out of the water at high speeds, reaching heights of up to 10 feet.